Court is calling 2023 CR 7727, State of Texas versus Sean Patrick Cormie. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense? And are you Mr. Cormie?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Cormie, before your attorney showed up this morning, you informed the court that you just wanted to be done with this and sign for anything or whatever. And I instructed you that there are consequences for signing for anything. You understand? All right. You've already been sworn in. Can you state your name for the record?
I'm Patrick.
All right. You understand if you want a jury trial, the court will give you a jury trial. And so I don't want this to be a situation where this is rushed in any form or fashion. So have you had ample time to speak with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
And considering all the consequences of entering a plea in this case, do you still wish to go forward?
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand that there are other consequences other than, so now this is a misdemeanor. So this is all that I'm facing. There are consequences as far as perhaps job opportunities and other collateral consequences from entering into a plea. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
And have you had a chance to discuss with your attorney the consequences collaterally of entering a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
And so do you wish to go forward with the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
And counsel, have you had ample time to discuss with him all consequences?
Yes, Your Honor. This past month, we've been talking about various different options for him.
Okay. And my understanding is there was a discussion, and this was on the record, so I'm not entering into plea negotiations because both parties discussed it with me. There was an attempt to have him considered for misdemeanor drug court.
Yes, it's referred to now as Camino Court, but yes, we've been, for the past couple of weeks, we've been trying to get him into it. But I was told by the court yesterday afternoon that he wasn't going to be accepted.
Okay. And you're aware of that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor, and I did.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Cormie, I'm going to show you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Going to show you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that document with your attorney?
Yes,
Did
ma'am.
you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge, we're going to be proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury as a class A misdemeanor.
Any objection?
We have no objection, Your Honor.
Going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault of a bodily injury of a security officer as a class A misdemeanor?
Yeah.
Range of punishment for that offense is up to $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If a defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations, court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. Court has reviewed the same. Court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, I would just say that at some point, my client doesn't necessarily want to move quite yet. He's working with his mother who works in Oklahoma. He does have some intention of moving back to Oklahoma to do some inpatient treatment facility with his mother. At some point, Your Honor, we may approach about getting the probation transferred, but other than that, nothing further.
All right. So why is he not wishing to go to Oklahoma now? Why not?
I'm good. I'm all good here. I want to stay here.
So it's been a conversation that we've been having with his parents. His father lives in San Antonio. His mother lives in Oklahoma. And they don't have everything set up for him to go there yet. So he was wanting to stay here until things get set up in Oklahoma. They don't know exactly how long that's going to take.
Okay. Are you originally from Oklahoma?
From California.
All right. What's up with this Texas neck tattoo?
You want to know the full story or?
Oh, yeah.
My first line in crystal meth, I went down by Cavaliers. I went down the hill and I slammed my head on the pavement, started crying, was bleeding. And then I went to go get the tattoo Texas on the side of my neck.
So,
Yeah, it's pretty stupid.
so you were,
I was high.
oh, okay. All right. And so what are the other tattoos?
Never give up, and then wisdom, brokenness, and then strength, and then family, and then panther, and then I believe I can do all things through Christ.
Okay. So how often are you using crystal meth?
I was using it pretty much every day shooting up, but I'm done with that. I just started shooting up, but I'm ready to go get help and stuff and go to rehab and give my life to God. Like I'm done dictating my way. My way doesn't work, so I'm ready to get help.
Okay. When's the last time before being taken into custody? When's the last time you did crystal meth?
Probably about 7 months, 7 months ago now. So I've been in here for like almost 5.
Ah, okay. So it's still clear to me that you need inpatient treatment. It's easy. Well, I don't want to say easy. It's less difficult to get clean at the Bexar County Jail and focus and see where you're going wrong than in the free world. Lifetime recovery would probably accept him.
The only issue, Your Honor, with staying in San Antonio, I've spoken to his father at length.
Well, no, he's not going to Oklahoma. Where would he be going?
I don't remember the treatment facility over there, but I do know that his father doesn't want to help him over here. Even with drug court, he didn't really want to participate. His father didn't want him to.
No, I mean, how old are you?
27.
All right, he's 27. He doesn't need his father to participate. You can go from here into lifetime recovery. Then after he completes their inpatient there, they actually have a sober living facility they could probably place him at so he could get on his feet. I mean, you're 27. It's really past time for you to be dependent on your parents, to live with them, and for them to get you employment and for them to do all of that. It's time for you to start doing that. I understand that sometimes children fall on hard times because my mom said, honestly, when you have children, they never really grow up. They constantly know they have their safety net, and their safety net is I can go to my parents' house and grocery shop. I don't have a place to stay. My parents going to let me stay, but it'll probably be best for you not to do that. So from the Bexar County Jail, we're going to see if we can get you into lifetime recovery, inpatient with them. And then from there, if you're doing everything that they're supposed to do, they'll probably set you up with sober living. And usually with their sober living, they will have you there for at least 6 months and make sure that you're earning money, setting money aside. So then they can have you like a bird and you can fly and leave the nest. But I don't want to have you go from the Bexar County Jail to wherever you're going to go and set you up for failure, because then you know what's going to end up happening. A motion to revoke is going to be filed and you're going to be right back here.
Yes.
All right. Do you have any children?
No, ma'am.
That's a good thing.
No.
How far did you go in school?
My senior year.
He graduated.
Graduated.
So what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life for employment wise? What do you want to do?
I was gonna go buy at a gas station and like just stay sober and save up.
Wait, buy a gas station?
Oh, like work at a gas station.
Oh, okay. I was like, okay, what are you doing to see? I was going to say, what are you doing to buy a gas station? All right. So this is what we're going to do. It's 1 year deferred adjudication, $500 fine. That will be probated. We'll do a TAP evaluation. And since I'm asking that he go to lifetime recovery, if he's placed in lifetime recovery before his TAP evaluation is done, great. How long does it take the TAP evaluation if they're in custody?
A week and a half.
Okay. So we'll say TAP evaluation while in custody, but probation knows and the clerks know that if you're transferred, you know, if lifetime recovery says, oh, we'll take him today, then lifetime recovery will take precedent over the TAP evaluation in custody. And then we'll do regular reporting by Zoom or in person. The UA hotline, proof of employment within 45 days of release. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. 80 hours of community service restitution. If he enrolls in trade school or gets some sort of certificate, then those hours will be waived. If not, you have to do 80 hours of community service or higher level education. There's to be no contact with James Travis and field visits one time per month for 3 months. And probation, you can see if a MIC evaluation is needed. Sometimes drugs mess with the brain. So we'll see what's going on with that. Probation, is there anything else he needs?
Okay.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.